الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Respected teachers, parents and my beloved friends, in this beautiful occasion of Explore UK 24, I would like to share a few ideas about Islam and health. Firstly, I thank Allah for giving me a chance to speak in front of you. Firstly, Islam teaches us that bodies are a trust from Allah. In the Quran, Allah instructs us not to harm ourselves, saying, وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى التَّهْلُكَةِ, and not to harm ourselves with your own hands into destruction. This means that taking care of our health is a way to fulfill our responsibility to Allah. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ also emphasized the importance of health. He said the strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer. While there is good in both, this hadith highlights that being healthy and strong is not only beneficial for ourselves but also pleasing to Allah. Dear friends, to maintain good health, Islam encourages a balanced lifestyle. This includes eating healthy, staying active, and getting enough sleep. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ recommended moderation, healthy eating and staying active. For example, he said the stomach is the home of illness and abstinence is the most important medicine. In conclusion, he is healthy and abstinence is the more In conclusion, healthy is appreciate and take care of our health. Let us appreciate and take care of us, sign of gratitude to Allah. I would like to conclude my talks here. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.